Hey guys, supermexicanmia, welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode number 5 of this little mini series where I'm remodeling my Barbie house into more like modern, you know, vibes instead of like all pink and yeah. So for today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY home decor, and it's gonna be so cute. So let's get started. Alright, so you're first going to need some scissors. These are the cute photo frames, tape and or masking tape. You're gonna also need a hot glue gun with hot glue sticks. And some stamps on paper or pictures you print out or like anything like that you want to put inside of the frames. Alright guys, so we're first going to open this up. We're gonna take this thing off because we don't need that. Alright, so now we're just gonna take out the picture that was originally in there. So I'm just gonna get the paper weight that was in there before just to get like a good measurement so it could fit in nicely. Alright, and there you go. Now we're just gonna put this picture inside. And there you go. You have your own very own picture-in-picture frame for your Barbie doll house. Oh, this is so cute! Alright, for this next DIY, we're going to make a little small stool. It's going to be really cute. So you're going to need dowels, wooden dowels. I got these at Dollar Tree. It was really cute, honestly. I was like, no way, they sell them there. And you're also going to need some wooden like blocks type of things. I got these at Joann's. And you're also going to need a hot glue gun and scissors. Alright, so first you're going to want to cut these 4 like to the size of legs you want. So now that you have your 4 pieces, we're going to start hot gluing them. We're going to start hot gluing them to this base. So it's gonna be like 4, like 2, 2, 2. Got it? Let's do that. Alright guys, so once it's done drying, you're gonna want to flip it over and it should stand up by itself. So yeah, there you go. It's so cute. It's just like a little small stool, like put like a little mini plant or anything on it. It's like so cute. Alright guys, so for this next DIY, ooh, it's going to be the mirror. Finally time, woohoo! So I got these 2 at Joann's. They're really cheap and like it was so cute. I saw this on Pinterest one time and I was like, oh my god, I had to do this. I saw this on the BuzzFeed video. They did it differently though. They had like a wooden thing, but I thought that would look really cute with you know, like that. So you're going to need a couple of mirrors. Well, you just need 1 mirror. This came with like 5 mirrors, I think. And some golden rings. Alright, so you're going to get your mirror and you're going to need also a hot glue gun. I came up here to mention that. Alright, so we're just going to hot glue it onto the ring directly because that's just better. And I suggest doing it like little by little so it doesn't ooze out when you actually put it on the mirror. Okay, you're going to want to also leave like a little spot so just you can like hold on to because, you know, it's going to be like really hot. I know it looks crazy. You're gonna take off all the webs after, okay? Can you see me? And when you put it onto the wall, or where you're gonna put it in your dollhouse or anywhere, you're just gonna want to put a lot of like hot glue gun, a zigzag, and yeah, it should work. But just be careful when you press it onto the wall because the mirror gets really hot, okay, guys? So I suggest like just like, and wear protective gloves too. So yeah, that's DIY. It's so cute. Alright guys, for this DIY, it's going to be a little like, you know, you're going to have more materials, but you're going to need a canvas. I got this at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some paint, and I got this at Dollar Tree too. They had a 3-pack for $1. And also you're going to need brush, #tacklon, because no animals were abused. I'm making this. Synthetic, okay, so, and also a cup. I think you should get a smaller cup because, jeez Louise. Alright, so this is all you need. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so just to, because this is going to be like a really messy project, I think. So I put like, I cut up a lush bag to use as, you know, for the back so it won't get dirty, so it won't dirty my table. And I just pinned it with masking tape. Alright, so you're just going to take, I recommend 4 paints. This is what I saw in the tutorial. I'll link it down below. I think they did this. We're just going to do what they did. Alright, let's get started. Whoops. so after you have this, we're just gonna like, honestly, I have no idea what we're doing, but we're just gonna like try to like, ooh, okay, you're just gonna do like a little this. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. But you know what? It's hashtag art, and it's fine, right? Alright, so now you're just gonna like, literally like, you're gonna wanna drag it all over the canvas so it fills up every corner. Whoa, that's cool. What the heck? Your hands are gonna get messy too, so just letting you guys know. Look how cool that's looking so far. So we're just gonna keep on like, you know, azotándolo, like hitting it on the table. And yeah, and then hopefully you're gonna like your finished product. It's looking really nice. Alright guys, so there it is. Doesn't that look so freaking cool? Alright, we're just gonna let this dry off, and oh my god, this looks freaking amazing. What the heck? I didn't think it was come out with this cool. I'm a freaking artist, guy. I mean, I'm already an artist, but like, you know, this is a fucking okay. Alright. We're gonna set that down and let that dry. Alright guys, so for this next DIY, we're going to make some curtains. Woo! It's gonna be so cute, super chic. Alright, so for this DIY, you're gonna need wooden dowels again, scissors. I got this a satin pillowcase from Dollar Tree. And you're also gonna need a hot glue gun. I'm going to take this end of the pillow. It's like it's already stitched here along the lines. I suggest you measure the window that you want, the area for the curtains. And I'm going to cut it. And you're just going to make it as long as you need it to be, or as long as you want it to be. Alright guys, so for the wooden dowels, I just combined two. I cut one in half because this one just didn't fit by itself. So now we're just going to put this inside. Alright, so once you have it inside, you're gonna shrink it up all in the middle. And then you're gonna hot glue it to the window you want. Alright guys, for this last DIY, you're going to need just one wooden dowel, and you're going to need just like a white type of fabric. And this I got at Joann's too. It's really cute. Oh, look at how fluffy it is. I used it for the rug in my DIY cottage home video. So this is what you're gonna need. You're also gonna need scissors to cut this into little pieces. And you're also gonna need a hot glue gun. So this is going to make a towel on a rack. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're gonna have cut your wooden down to like little pieces. So then this part, it'll be like that, and it'll be glued on the wall. So you're just gonna hot glue these pieces together. Alright guys, so once you're done gluing it together, it should look something like this. And you're also gonna cut out just like a little piece of fabric from your fabric from earlier. Now we're gonna mount it onto the wall with hot glue gun, and it's gonna be so cool. All right, let's go. The last DIY, guys. Woo! Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was so fun to make, and I loved how all of them came out. I think my favorite one would have to be the painting and the mirror. The mirror, I was just like, ever since I thought about it, I was like, oh my god, yes. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video to all your friends if you guys, you know, want to like mix up like this, like, you know, for a fun project, or like just to hang out, you know, it's fun. Alright guys, see you later, bye! Oh my god, have you guys listened to new Melanie Martinez K to 12? Okay, K to 12. Oh my god, it's so good. Alright, bye.